Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with the essentials. Make sure your Samsung runs One UI 2, 0 or newer, and has always-on display support. Once satisfied, plug in or keep battery above 15% to avoid resets. Now open Settings, tap Lock Screen, and select Always-on Display. You're starting the process. Choose the master toggle to enable AOD. If the toggle is dim, confirm a secure lock screen is set. AOD requires a PIN pattern or biometric lock to function properly. Once AOD is enabled, you customize how it behaves and why each option matters. Tap Clock Style to choose analog, digital, or a custom image. That affects readability and power use. Next, set the schedule. Always tap to show or specific times, because this balances visibility versus battery life. Adjust brightness and add contact info for identification. Finally, make sure AOD is disabled during battery saver if you want maximum runtime. These choices to finish, save your changes, lock the phone, and verify the always-on display appears as configured. Test tap interactions and timeout behavior. If AOD does not show, reboot the device, check for One UI updates, and confirm secure lock settings are active. AOD depends on a secure lock. If problems persist, reset AOD preferences, boot into safe mode to exclude third-party apps, and only then consider a factory reset. One key tip: always update software before deep troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.